In this problem, we're asked to use the natural logarithm in order to evaluate each expression. And if we have to, we'll round our answer to the nearest hundredth. Now, when we're looking at these, sometimes we'll be able to do them by hand, and sometimes we'll need to use our calculator. So first thing is, notice that this is the natural logarithm of e. So that's ln of e, that's an L right there, okay? Now, that is the same thing as saying the log base e of e. So what's really neat about that is we have a rule that says log base b of b equals 1. So if the base and what's inside the logarithm match, then you're going to have 1 as your output. So in this case, since the natural log of e is really log base e of e, and those two things match, we get that that equals 1. No calculator required. On the other hand, when we look at the natural log of 461, there's no way to write 461 as e to the something. So because of that, we're going to put this straight into our calculator. Now, the natural log button is usually on the left side of your calculator if you're using a Texas Instrument, and it's LN. So you type that and then you press 461. And when you do, you get 6.133398, and then a lot more digits. Now, in this case, they do want us to round to the nearest hundredth. So the hundredth place is the second spot after the decimal. So we're either going to have a 3 there or we'll round it up. You always look at the number directly following it to decide. If the number after where you're trying to round is more than 5 or more, then you round up. Otherwise, you leave it how it is. So because the next number is less than 5, we're going to keep 6.13, and that's the answer rounded to the nearest hundredth.